Hi there. So this is a demo of the command line application MySQL Employee Tracker. If you were just cloning this repository onto your local machine, you would have to run the command npm I. But since we already have installed all of the necessary dependencies, we will just be running the command node employee tracker.js to start this application. And so the first thing you'll get is a prompt here that'll ask what you would like to do with a series of different things you can select. And so we're just going to run through them one by one and start with add a department. So it'll prompt you and ask for the name of the department you would like to add. So we can just do power. And then add a role is the next thing that you can do. Please enter the title of the role you would like to add. So power lead, sure. Enter the salary. Let's see, 50,000. And enter the ID, and arbitrarily, let's just add 2. So next, what you can do is add an employee. Let's just go with me, Tiana. Husted is the role ID. Let's go 7. And the manager, you actually have 2 options here. You can either leave it blank if the employee has no manager, or you can just enter a number in for the manager ID. So let's just put 3. And now what we can do is view all departments. And what we can, I've already populated it with some from before, but the most recent addition, you'll see that power now exists at the bottom there. And we can go and view all roles. So power lead there at the bottom is now there as well, and view all employees. And you'll see that I am there as well. And now the next thing that we can do is update an employee role. So selecting that, you have to enter the ID of the employee whose role you'd like to update. So you can do 4 because that is me, and enter their new role ID, 1. And just to be able to confirm that, we can view all employees and see that under me right there, it was 7, and now the role ID is 1. So that's successfully updated. Update an employee manager. So again, we'll go in there and we'll enter the ID 4. Please enter the new manager ID. Let's go with 2. And again, view all employees to see that that change has updated right there. Now we can delete a department. So please enter the name of the department you would like to delete. Since we just entered power, we can delete power. And to confirm that, we can view all departments, and you'll see that power is erased from there. You can also delete a role. Enter the name of the role you would like to delete. So power lead is, I believe, what we entered before. To confirm that, you can view all roles and see that that is now gone. And the last thing you can do is delete an employee. So please, it'll say, please enter the ID of the employee you would like to delete. So that would be ID 4. You could do it by name, but ID is more specific, just on the off chance that you have 2 employees with the same name. So 4, and then what you can do is view all employees, and you'll see that I am gone. So thank you for watching this walkthrough. I hope you found it helpful.